Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by measuring latency with Azure Monitor and record average latency in milliseconds. Capture a baseline over 15 minutes during peak and off-peak traffic. Check CPU, memory, and network for spikes. Look for sustained CPU above 70%. Inspect application logs for repeated retries and timeouts every 30 seconds. Validate client-side code timing and confirm the latch callback completes within 3-5 ms. Correlate incidents with deployment, scaling events, or configuration changes to identify root causes accurately. Increase instance type or add instances until CPU falls below 50% during peak traffic. Right-size disk IOPS and choose SSD-backed storage for consistent I/O throughput. Use connection pooling and backoff to reduce retry storms and CPU load. Configure exponential backoff with a cap of 2 seconds and a maximum of 5 retries. Enable regional caching and set TTL to 60 seconds for frequent latch states to reduce repeated reads. Apply auto-scale rules based on CPU and queue length with create alerts for latency above 150 ms and CPU above 85% to trigger automated scaling. Implement dashboards that show P95 and P99 latency, request rate, and error percentage. Schedule load tests weekly and record metrics at 1,000 concurrent connections to validate capacity. Use synthetic transactions every minute to verify latch responsiveness from different regions. Rotate secrets and update SDKs every quarter to maintain performance and security. Review auto-scale actions monthly and tune thresholds based on observed traffic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.